In this segment, we'll learn about how to customize, create ticket template. Under the Fields and Forms section in Settings, click Ticket Fields. To create a new ticket field, click New Ticket Field. Fill up the field name, field type and default value. If there are multiple values, use the Add Option button to add them. A default value for the drop-down or checkbox option can be chosen from the options. The fields can be edited or deleted from this screen using the Edit and Delete buttons. To create or edit a ticket form, click Ticket Forms under the Fields and Forms section. You can edit the default ticket form or create a new one. The default ticket form will have some existing fields already added. When you edit, you can add new fields, rearrange the fields, or make some fields required in the template. To use this template, click Create Ticket button from the navbar. Here you can choose the form. In the next step, you will be seeing the set of fields based on your choice of template. Once created, you can view all the entered details including the custom fields in the Ticket Properties tab.